Among the largest bits of crap we see all the time. The claim made against the XRP community is that large banks will never employ XRP individuals. I want to demonstrate to you in this video why that is, in fact, the furthest thing from the truth. As you can see, some of the largest US banks are already collaborating directly with Ripple on cryptocurrency projects. I believe this will truly demonstrate to you that Ripple is being incorporated into the next generation of financial systems. Guys, it's not just hype, this is happening in real time. I also want to talk about a huge liquidation event that occurred in the cryptocurrency market recently, in which I witnessed almost $1 billion dissolved after a couple of minutes. Watch to the end of the film to see that. I think it's actually going to discuss why this might be happening and why I couldn't be less scared. Guys, please pay attention to who is purchasing. Your support is really appreciated on this channel. Thank you to all of you who subscribes to the channel and enjoys the videos. These actions are incredibly beneficial me out so much, and I stream live nearly every day. Please make sure to turn on the notification bell if you are going to be absent from these live streams or arriving late. I'm hoping you all appreciate the information, but I have to get started. I'll turn off the video and quickly share some incredible news with you. It appears that Elizabeth Warren has not been outfunded by John Dion. If this isn't evidence enough, folks, that John Dion can easily defeat Elizabeth Warren in this campaign, consider this. In the first quarter, John Dion raised $1.36 million, while Elizabeth barely raised $1.1 million. I'm at a loss for words because I know a lot of folks who are unwilling to donate. Many folks that I know lack the necessary resources or cash to donate, but even in that case, the very least you can do, guys, is head over to X and retweet John Dion's message. I firmly believe that John Dion can defeat Elizabeth Warren, and this is a great indication that he is well on his way to accomplishing so, folks. I just want to ask if there is anything. John Dion is an amazing person, a pit bull, and he would never give up fighting for you. He would be an American hero in this Senate. You can help in any way you can, no matter how tiny. Guys, we are off to a great start, and I really hope that this helps you realize exactly how much of an impact you're already having. Please go support John Dion. He truly is going to need all the aid we can give him. But I'd want to go on and dive right into some really fascinating news about major banks utilizing XRP. Guys, there has been a lot of talk for a very long time about how big banks will never utilize XRP. They may employ private ledgers in addition to the centralized Ripple software. They have no intention of using the public ledger. Right now, I want to show that false in front of you, because I think this is really going to let you know that most of the people peddling this narrative are merely attempting to trick you, attempting to dissuade you from using XRP by citing their financial motivations. Guys, most of the folks spreading these rumors don't have XRP, so don't do that. They have investments in XRP's rivals in the system, so I want to play these videos for you to see clearly that these major organizations are using XRP and collaborating with Ripple on projects related to cryptocurrencies. That should be enough to tell you that when the financial system is replaced by this following generation, Ripple will play a crucial role in the infrastructure of first things first. Palau is an island nation that uses US dollars exclusively. It is a dollarized nation, meaning that they pay for everything with dollars. They do, but they're not a state, a part of the US, or anything like that, which is why we're not constructing for them. Is a reliable coin backed by the bank and denominated in US dollars. Palau lacks a central bank. They don't have their own because of this money, etc., but they also have a financial ministry and have what they term affiliations with American banks, which essentially means that they are one of the major American banks. Would serve as this stable safety net. Chrome is essentially a major American bank that serves as a safety net. Thus, it is the same for this stable crime as a US dollar in all serious circumstances as, clearly, American guys, the Federal Reserve, and the bank there support the bank. For countries supported by the biggest American banks backed by the Federal Reserve, Ripple is currently issuing stable currency. Gentlemen, these major American banks are staying out of. There is a lack of comprehension in these endeavors. They are signing on to be active in these activities because they are aware of what is occurring here, what is being developed here, and Palau's activities. They also understand that Palau is issuing a digital dollar on the XRP ledger. Do the major institutions currently operate? This kind of information will never be provided to you by mainstream media, and the major cryptocurrency commentators who are always trashing Ripple and XRP will never accept it, since the XRP ledger is already integrating with Ripple. Knowing that Ripple has close relationships with major financial institutions is crucial, and financial institutions have to take note of this. Big banks about the Ripple issue here. Bank America, Merrill Lynch, one of the 7 core banks that are assisting us in creating our governance structure, is working closely with Ripple to do the same. This could not be more clear to you, guys, than that Ripple is currently collaborating directly with some of the biggest banks in the world. People frequently ask, why? When the price doesn't change, then why can't we see these things being constructed in real time? We are ahead of schedule, and they are setting up the necessary infrastructure so that when the time comes to launch these products, they will be prepared. You know, the major banks have been developing these products for the past 5 years and are almost ready to put them into practice. World application cases, no other blockchain will be able to match this degree of study and research, and no other blockchain will be able to keep up with this level of execution. XRP will be at the center of everything that Ripple does, guys. Behind the scenes, they have been working with these institutions to establish the foundation for the next generation financial system. It is crucial to realize that anyone claiming that these major banks do not use XRP or that Ripple does not have direct collaboration with these sizable American organizations through the utilization of the XRP ledger is completely deceitful, and either lying or utterly uninformed. As they are telling you up front that they are exclusively collaborating with these American institutions. Before we discuss the pricing of XRP, I just want to show you guys one more thing about this technology. Charts, and this is indeed Fubon Bank. Using ODL, a feature of Ripple's technology, to transfer money globally, guys, Fubon Bank has more than $500 billion. And the managed assets, I'm not sure how to put it more clearly. Biggest organizations in the world are implementing this technology because they anticipate a shift. Gentlemen, big organizations are asset conglomerates, not technology suppliers. Everything they own is in their possession. The value, but they're not building additional tracks to reorganize it. They lack the technical expertise and resources necessary to do so with these substantial assets. These large asset holders, who are managers, desire better ways to tokenize transactions, move value, manage value, and do everything with value alone. Blockchain technology can offer. It doesn't seem to get any clearer than this with these large organizations using Ripple not for additional centralized software, not for additional messaging protocols, and not for additional private databases. Ripple to gain entry to the XRP ledger and usher in a new era. Future critical financial systems that we're going to need going forward. These organizations are neither utilizing Ripple for leisure nor are they utilizing Ripple to reintroduce SWIFT within a narrower network. They understand that real-time settlement will be crucial in the system we are heading toward, which is why they are working with Ripple on version form and developing future partnerships with them. I'm hoping this works. You can see with great clarity that those who have been stating the opposite are not keeping up with what is being developed here. I haven't seen anyone else working with significant organizations like Ripple to transform the financial system. Honestly, I want to complete this video, but nobody is even close to keeping up. Aside, though, and discuss the price of XRP. Chart, although there was a significant liquidation earlier today, and many people were panicking and flipping out. If you have been following the charts on this channel, I don't think you would have much cause for concern. As expected, XRP is declining today. Flawlessly and simply brushed this off bottom support, guys. This is how XRP functions. I don't know why, but XRP has been adhering to this upper resistance line and this lower support line like clockwork every time it appears, which is astounding. Returning to the support, it falls. Every time it reaches the resistance, it pulls back up to the support. As you can see, folks, XRP is rising back into the range. To be honest with you, it seems like clockwork right now, and to me, it's just noise. XRP is going to take off eventually. We are going to witness this multi-year consolidation completely break apart out of this symmetrical triangle. The fundamentals of XRP ought to be valued far higher than where it is currently trading in the market. With what I predict will be an unprecedented upward rip, XRP should be trading well above all-time highs. For all of your achievements. Guys, look at what the XRP ledger has accomplished in the last 5 to 10 years. The price of XRP is suppressed. The price of XRP has been leveling out. Guys, even though the fundamentals are skyrocketing, if you told people in 2018 that XRP wouldn't be a security, that Ripple would be collaborating with significant organizations, that digital currencies were being developed on the XRP ledger, that new tools would be added to the platform, that there would be record volumes of wallets, and that there would be record developments, no one would believe you that XRP was still trading below its 2018 price. If they did, though, I hear you say that they would be buying in bulk. The rationale is that XRP is being suppressed deliberately, or because individuals and sadly, the mainstream media are unable to comprehend the true scope of what is being built here. Fortunately, however, these opportunities are fleeting. The good news for us is that XRP will eventually reflect all of the extremely bullish things we've discussed in this video, because that's just how markets operate. It will do so quickly and explosively when XRP catches up to its fundamentals. This is the reason, guys, that I never feel less concerned when XRP declines. I therefore take a step back and accumulate more when XRP declines. Guys, XRP has significantly superior foundations than any other cryptocurrency I've ever seen. It's the little things like this that really appeal to me. I'm eager to see what lies ahead. XRP is in a position to succeed thanks to Ripple. Guys, it's only a matter of time until the XRP ledger becomes a dominating cryptocurrency. For now, I'm going to take a backseat and accumulate, since eventually, it may not be feasible. In any case, I want to thank all of you for coming. I hope this update was enjoyable. Did you remember to subscribe and like? Genuinely does mean a great deal.